Hi, I'm Wealth Wizardy, and I'm going to help you create a simple budget. Step 1. Calculate your income. Add up all the money you earn each month. Step 2. List your expenses. Make a list of everything you spend money on. Split them into fixed, like rent, and flexible, like groceries expenses. Step 3. Find your total expenses. Add up all your monthly expenses. Step 4. Calculate the difference. Subtract your total expenses from your income. If it's positive, you have extra money. If negative, you're spending too much. Step 5. Adjust your spending. Cut back on non-essential expenses. Prioritize saving and paying off debt. Create an emergency fund with any surplus. Step 6. Keep an eye on your budget. Track your spending regularly. Review your budget monthly and make changes if needed. Budgeting is a simple way to take control of your money and work towards your financial goals.